Good morning, kids. How are you all? Today we shall learn a new topic, sound words. Today we shall learn to sound a and at and do activity for a and sound and at sound words. Write a and an. Can you tell me what is the sound of a and? The sound of an. Sound of an. Now we shall doing a activity. Make a leaf, circle, petal, and trunk. Now paste the petal on the circle. Now paste the petal. Cut the 4 petal. And paste one by one half of the gum. Paste the trunk. This is a flower. You can make a different type of leaf. Paste the leaf. This is flower. See this? This is beautiful, no? Yes. Now flower is ready. This is letter C. This is letter C. Can you tell me what is the sound of C? K. C and N. Can. This is letter F. This is letter F. Can you tell me what is the sound of F? F. F and fan. F and fan. Next letter is M. Next letter is M. M-A-N, man. Next is V. V-A-N, van. Can you tell me what is the sound of V? V. V and van. Can, van. Van, can, fan, man. Now next activity is AT word. A, T. AT, at. AT, at. Now let's see some word. This is letter F. This is letter F. What is the sound of F? F. F. F-A-T, F at fat, F at fat. This is circle and this is petal, this is trunk and this is leaves. F-A-T, fat, F-A-T, fat. Next letter is M. What is the sound of M? M. M. M-A-T, mat. M at mat. M at mat. Next is C. This is letter C. What is the sound of C? K. K at cat. K at cat. Next is B. What is the sound of B? B at bat. B at bat. Revise again. Fat, mat, bat, cat. See this flower? Make one circle, 4 petals, 1 trunk and 2 leaves and paste all. This is 80 sound word activity. AN sound activity and this is 80 sound activity. Revise again. Can, fan, man, van. 80. Fat, at, mat, bat, cat.